Hey guys, it's David here with Black Magic, and today I'm here to show off our new Black Magic Intense Graphene Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Now, I know most of you guys are already asking yourself, what's so amazing about this product? Or what makes this cleaner unique from all the other cleaners out there in the market? And it's one thing, that's graphene. You see, graphene is one of the thinnest and strongest materials in the world, which means an intense next level protection for your wheels and tires. And it works harder than any other product on the market out there to protect your wheels and tires from all of the nasty stuff that builds up and accumulates while you're on the road. So if you're looking to level up your car care routine, you really have to give this product a try. So come on, let me show you how easy it is to use. Now, first things first, we want to really shake the bottle up before we use it. Now next, we're gonna heavily spray and be sure to coat both the tire and the wheel. And we want to take our time here and make sure that we're covering the entire surface area and really let the cleaning and conditioning formula soak within the grooves. Now's the easiest part. You just sit, we wait 1 to 2 minutes and really let the cleaning and conditioning formula work its magic. Okay, now that we've given it some time to set, we're just gonna grab a soft tire brush or a sponge if you got one at home, and wipe down the wheel and the tire. All right, now that looks really good. So next we're gonna take the hose and we're gonna hose it down with some cool water. All right, now finally, we need to wipe the wheel and tire down with a clean towel. Look at that finish. Oh, and pro tip, for the final touch, we're gonna go here with the Black Magic Intense Graphene Tire Shine for a high gloss finish that we can be proud of. Take pride in your ride with Black Magic Intense Graphene Wheel and Tire products.